Okay, brother Abdullah from Canada, what is your question?
Yes, my question is with regarding to the Mawlid and its celebration. For the past 4 to 5 years, I've been telling my family not to celebrate it. I've been telling them diplomatically, nicely, what's wrong with it and how it's wrong. And yet they keep doing it. So if they keep doing it, will I be sinful for their actions?
Jazakallah khairan. So basically, he advises them not to celebrate the Mawlid Sheikh, and they keep doing it. We're talking about his parents. What is his level of sin here, if there is any?
خلاص, alhamdulillah, you did your job, you did your duty, and you can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink.
Absolutely.
So alhamdulillah, ليس عليك إلا البيان، ليس عليك هداهم ولكن الله يهدي من يشاء. This was addressed to the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. You cannot guide them, but you can only show them. It's Allah who guides whomever He wishes. So as long as you did your due diligence and you're polite and dutiful, خلاص, stop and let them do whatever they do. Do not help them, do not participate with them, do not join them in such innovative celebrations.